Hi, I am Kumar Abhishek Pathak, Chief Mentor with IMS Learning Resources Private Limited. I meet students, I understand their aspirations, figure out their aspirations, and then chalk out, evaluate different courses for them, which they will pursue after class 12. And then I make sure that I mentor them to the point they reach to the right course after class 12, and then finally reach to their aspiration and destination. Hi, I am Kumar Abhishek Pathak. In this video, we are going to talk about SET, which is a test for getting into Symbiosis University for its BBA program. Symbiosis University is known for its BBA program, and it followed Narsee Monjee Institute of Management Studies in introducing its BBA program, and its program is doing pretty good. It has got an average placement of close to 5.5 lakhs per annum, and that is for a BBA course is good enough. If we'll talk about number of campuses of Symbiosis University, it has got two major campuses. One is in Pune, second is in Noida. So students who appear for Symbiosis University, they target these two campuses. In terms of differentiation of Symbiosis University, in terms of SET ka differentiation, so SET is a test which does not require mathematics in class 11th and 12th. So if you look at different entrance tests for BBA and BMS across India, there are certain tests which require mathematics in class 11th and 12th, and there are certain tests which do not require mathematics in class 11th and 12th. So SET is one of those tests. So even if you did not have maths in class 11th and 12th, you are eligible to appear for SET. Now, in terms of marking scheme, since it is a computer-based test, so interface happens to be the computer. And in terms of marking scheme, it has got +1 and -0.25. So, in fact, 1/4 of negative marking per question. In terms of number of questions, SET has got total 150 questions, and test is of 150 minutes. So 2.5 hours ka test, and you have got 150 questions. So by the time you reach to last section, it becomes slightly difficult for you, because sitting for 2.5 hours and then for 4 sections and 150 questions, sometimes it becomes too much. So this is a test which has got maximum number of questions across all the BBA entrance tests, and you have to do one question in 1 minute on an average to complete that entire test. So out of those 4 sections, we have mathematics, we have got English, which is verbal, we have got logical and analytical ability, and then last section is general awareness. So we have got 4 sections, and you can move between the sections. So to start with, 40 questions are there in quant ka section, which is mathematics, and since maths was not a requirement to appear for SET, maths is relatively easier in SET. So if you compare different entrance examinations for UG management, SET has got the easiest maths. So 40 questions you can attempt in close to 30 to 32 minutes. That is something you should be targeting. And ABC approach, again, it will help you here, since whichever exam, if you have got a good number of questions, then ABC approach helps you in eliminating certain questions from your list of attempts. So out of 40 questions, if you have selected 8 or 9 questions where you know that you will not be able to attempt those questions, I think that can be the best strategy. So shortlisting 30 to 32 questions in mathematics, where you are 100% confident is the first approach, and in SET you have got maximum questions from algebra. So algebra is one thing, algebra, quadratic equation, word problems. These are areas where you should be working on for to get maximum marks in your SET ka quant section. So out of 40 questions, 32 questions, if you are able to do with 85% accuracy, that is good. Then next section is your English section. In English section, you have got 2 to 3 RCs, reading comprehension paragraphs, and these RCs are from random areas. So generally they give topics from science or technology, so that since most of the students are from commerce and humanities background who are appearing for these papers, so they find it slightly difficult to get into those topics. And apart from RC, you have got maximum questions from grammar. So grammar is one area where you should have a hold on. And then third most important thing is vocabulary. So these three things will make sure that you are doing good in verbal section of SAT. And 42 to 43 minutes and attempting 32 to 33 questions with 85% accuracy. That is something you should be looking at in verbal section. Moving on to logical reasoning, which has got logical reasoning and analytical ability section, which has got 30 questions. So this section is slightly tricky, and this section needs certain kind of preparation in analytical ability kind of questions. So this section will take some more time, and you might take 35 to 36, you might allocate 35 to 36 minutes in this section. And out of 30 questions, if you are able to do 20 to 22 questions, that is good enough to get a good score in SAT. Last section is your general awareness section. Unlike other tests, SAT is one test which gives maximum questions from static GK. So you need to be aware about Indian history, you need to be aware about world history, world war. Then in terms of different companies and its taglines and its logos, you should be well aware about all these things. So static GK is one area where students have to start little early. So SAT general awareness section tells you that if you have not started your GK preparation in class 11th or in the beginning of class 12th, you will have a tough time in handling those questions of general awareness. So in overall, out of 150 questions, if you are able to attempt 100 questions with an accuracy of 85%, you are through for SAT exam, and you are good to go to get a call for Symbiosis Noida and Symbiosis Pune campuses. Again, Symbiosis is one college, one university which has got second stage process. So most of the colleges in BBA entrance test do not have second stage process. Only IIM Indore IPM and Symbiosis SET have got second stage process. So they have got group exercise and personal interview in second stage at Symbiosis. So once you qualify for your first stage after your SET, then you are called at Pune. All the students who are shortlisted even for Noida campus, they are also called at Pune campus for second round. And once you are through with the second round, then they publish a merit list, and then you get admission in Symbiosis college. So first round SET score is very, very critical in getting a call. So your entire focus should be that how to score good in SAT test. So out of 150, if you are able to attempt 100 to 105 questions with 85% accuracy, you are through to get a second stage call from Symbiosis University.